Well, first off, happy Father's Day, everyone. I know sometimes coming up with an idea for a dad is sometimes a little bit difficult, but we came to the rescue. We have right here a color your own travel mug, and you get to decorate it, and I promise you it won't wash off. So how special is this? Let's see what's inside. Okay, so step one, prepare your area. We already got our kitchen, we got our set here, and so we're just gonna use this as is. Step number two, plan your own design. I kind of have an idea, it's not very fancy, but I'm gonna give it a shot. Step three, color your porcelain. I'm gonna give one side a try. Since it's Father's Day, I want to do something nice for my dad. You know, he's one of those guys that has like everything. It's very difficult coming up with an idea. So far I got a heart because we're into sports. So I'm gonna do number one. Number one so far. I'm gonna use blue for dad. So he knows I'm not an artist. He made me that way. Because every man wants a heart mug, right? Oh, it looks kind of cute. Look at that. Number one, dad. Oh, I didn't even see that. You can sketch it here. And he's an electrician, so I'm gonna do like a lightning bolt. Wow, is that a lightning bolt? How would you draw a lightning bolt? Is that a lightning bolt? Ariel Monte, is that a lightning bolt?
Yeah, a bendy straw.
What would you think, like a lightning bulb?
Lightning bulb? What's a lightning bulb?
A light bulb? Wow. Wow. A light bulb? So this is not a great lightning bulb or light bulb. That's not a lightning bulb. Looks like a scary ghost. Okay, so he's a Cowboys fan. I found this golf ball with a Cowboys logo on it, and so I'm gonna try my hand at doing the Cowboys star because America's team. So nervous, my hand's shaking. America's team, y'all, go Cowboys! Ah, just like us in the playoffs. Jerry Jones would not approve. He would not give me a contract extension for sure. Let's just write Dallas. Ta-da! So kind of got it. Right. My dad's gonna say, why did I pay so much for your college and schooling throughout your lifetime for this nonsense? But he's gonna love it because my dad's a nice guy. He's gonna actually use it, I hope. This is my mug. And he's the number one dad who loves the Dallas Cowboys, and probably not that star that I drew.
If you gave your dad that, what would his reaction be?
My dad's reaction would be like, what is this? But it's custom. All right, for the final step, what you're going to do after you've decorated your nice, pretty mug, you're going to use your kitchen and use your oven, okay? You're gonna preheat it for 300 degrees Fahrenheit. You're gonna place this onto a baking sheet and you're gonna put it into the oven for 25 minutes. Do not include the lid because it is rubber and it will melt. It's going to be very, very, very hot when it comes out, so make sure to let it cool. See, a personalized custom gift for that special someone in your life.